Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about the Moldino EDT thread mill and how to program this tool in Mastercam. This thread mill is a single lead thread mill that can cut the entire threaded hole without the need of a pilot drill. That is the big advantage of this tool. You can do this in hardened material and virtually any material, and you do not need to have a drill ahead of it. So today we're going to show you how to do this in Mastercam. And on this plate right here we have 4 threaded holes. They are M12 by 1.75, and we're going to show you how to do this to get the code to come out correctly for your machine. So the first thing that you want to do is go up to your toolpath and select thread milling. Once you've done that, then select the 4 holes that we're going to thread mill. You want to make sure that you select the geometry of the hole, and you want to double check and make sure that the hole is the correct size, the nominal size of the thread. So in the tool parameters, we're going to look at the cutting tool. I've already got it created. This is like I said, an M12 by 1.75. You can see here that the tool has about 3 threads on it. That's how they're designed, but they really only cut with 1 thread. Please go to the catalog and get the dimensions of this thread mill, and you can see the lengths and the diameters that you'll need to create the tool. Like I said, our pitch is 1.75, and then we're going to put in our cutting length, which is about 3 threads. Once you've done that, you can get the speeds and feeds out of the book for the material that you're cutting, but the main thing you want to look at is the spindle direction. Please make sure that the spindle direction is counterclockwise. This is a left-hand cutting thread, and it needs to spin the tool counterclockwise, or an MO4 in a standard G-code program. Okay, moving on to cutting parameters. As we talked about earlier, this is a single lead thread. So in Mastercam, it defaults to the number of teeth as you put into your tool. So we're going to need to change that to 1 active tooth. We're going to do an ID thread. We're going to do a right hand thread. We need to make sure that we specify this thread goes from the top to the bottom instead of bottom to top. Then on the lead in and the lead outs, we are going to start at the center and end at the center. We want to make sure that we end at the center so this tool does not hit the side of the threads as we come out of the hole, as we exit the hole. And then we'll go into our linking parameters and add our depth, and then we will apply it, and we will look at the toolpath. And as you can see, we have a nice spiral down toolpath. The tool, keep in mind, is spinning counterclockwise, but the thread mill toolpath is moving in a clockwise motion. So it's a little confusing, but you want to make sure that it is a clockwise toolpath, but a counterclockwise tool rotation. Let's backplot this to see how it looks. You can see there's our tool, and we will go down and start at the center of the hole and spiral all the way down to our depth. And as we look at a section cut here of the part, we'll be able to see the tool cutting inside the hole as it should. And once it gets to the bottom, it will come to the center of the hole and retract out of the hole so we don't hit anything. And that's all you have to do. So thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions, and have a nice day.